look, my view of all this process is about being human, and we're going to talk about that a little bit. And I'm going to give a very simple example for you to understand how things really work in our mind, right? So I can assign you to go to the nearest beach, not the best season for that, I know, and ask you to sort the grains that you see on the beach, right? So then you would come up with a system that would help you, sort the grains into cluster them, right? So silo them depending on their properties. Let's say their color, their size, their sharpness, translucency, and so on and so forth. But interestingly, let's say you came up with 8 or 9 buckets, right? Clusters. There comes a moment you find a grain that really doesn't fit into any of 9 buckets, or it fits into 2 of them, right? Then you realize that you have to, roll back and revise your approach. So this is pretty much what Robert Pirsig says about scientific method in his book, Zen and the Art of the Motorcycle Maintenance. It's a wonderful book, and it's really good in the sense that it's explaining whatever we know in scientifically is only good for this moment, right? So we have to always remember that we are the ones who are deciding it should be done that way, and we can just be as efficient as we can at a given moment, and we can be wrong too, right? So we have to kind of be very critical about what we are trying to do.